Why is Mileage Club America's #1 walk and run program for schools? Fitness Finders provides practical knowledge, support, and tools to easily track students' mileage, while also offering rewards that are proven to motivate. In addition, Mileage Club is easily adaptable. Over 22,000 schools across the United States and Canada are currently using Mileage Club products in the way that best fits their school. For example, some schools offer Mileage Club in the morning, so their students start the school day ready to learn. Or at recess, as an easy activity that's proven to reduce playground hassles. Mileage Club can be a great after-school option as well. Mileage Club also offers 3 unique, effective ways to track and record student mileage. The first way is mileage marker cards. As students complete laps, a leader uses a hole punch to mark their card. Schools have used our mileage marker cards for over 25 years. You can also track laps with tally sticks. Each time a student completes a lap, they receive a tally stick. At the end of the session, the sticks are counted and recorded. Or how about tracking laps digitally with EasyScan? EasyScan contains an app that is downloaded to multiple iOS or Android devices. As students complete laps, they scan their QR code. At the end of the session, the devices are synced, and the data is sent to an online database that stores and organizes the information automatically, allowing leaders to track each student's progress and know when they have earned an award. In addition, EasyScan offers amazing stats that are easy to analyze and share with classroom teachers and principals. Now comes the fun part. How will you reward your students? Fitness Finders' best-selling Run Club incentive is the Toe Token. Kids go crazy for Toe Tokens. They're cute and colorful, easy to store, sturdy, and fun to earn. Kids love to wear toe tokens on their shoes, bracelets, lanyards, or even on their backpack. When kids display their toe tokens, what they're really saying is, hey, look what I earned. Look what I achieved. And toe tokens work. In 2016 alone, toe tokens helped motivate students to log over 21 million miles. Fitness Finders knows that the toe tokens are most effective when the only way kids can get them is by earning them. We call this a token economy. When students know exactly what is expected of them and are consistently rewarded for achieving goals, you create a culture of success that is positively contagious. We started with the Toe Token in 1993, and now Fitness Finders offers hundreds of fun, affordable awards. We're proud to say that 99% of our products are designed and manufactured right here in the USA. Finally, Mileage Club is so popular because it is truly all-inclusive. Everyone can participate in Mileage Club. There are many schools using Mileage Club with participants in wheelchairs or using walkers. Schools also use Mileage Club to track laps skated around a hockey rink or laps swam in the pool. You determine the activity, you determine the reward structure, and you determine the awards earned. With Mileage Club, you're in the driver's seat, making the decisions on what works best for your school. But you also have Fitness Finders and our 40+ years of experience and knowledge partnering with you every step of the way. In fact, in a later video, we will discuss many of the proven academic, behavioral, and physical benefits of using Mileage Club that we've observed over the years. But next, I'm going to share some practical tips for setting up your Mileage Club.